Let me show you how to use a camera flash on any iPhone for taking pictures and videos. So if you go in the camera app and click over here on the top of your screen on these 6 dots, you can over here enable or disable the flash. So for example, by default it's maybe in auto mode. You can also enable it in constant mode, so it will use the flash at all times, or also disable the flash. For example, if I have on this on mode, so you see if I take a picture, yeah, for every picture it also will use a flash here to take a picture. But for example, if I set it on the auto mode, so it will only use a flash whenever it thinks it's dark enough. For example, let me turn on my light. As you see, if I turn on my light, okay, as you see the flash sign appears. So I'm not sure if you can even see. So again, it needs to be kind of like very, very dark for it to even like work. So again, pure auto mode. But for example, you see when it's like bright, again, the flash is not being used. And same for video mode. So we can enable in the same modes. So in the auto mode, constant mode, and also off mode. So you see, for example, if you need extra light at any time when you are filming videos, you can enable this feature, and then again the flash will be working as you are recording a video and give you much better exposure. Okay, good luck.